Hello and welcome to yet another session on how to use Mzizi Learning Management System. In today's session, we will cover how to create files and how to create folders. Go to your course, turn on editing, and while there, go to the activity, go to recommended section. From here, you're able to select file. As mentioned last time, file allows for you to have the capability to share out any file created outside the system in form of PDF, Word, etc. You could describe the file item name, after which you could select display this within the course page, and then you could have now the capability to upload the file. There are two options to this. One, you can drag and drop the file from your file folder section just by opening the folder to which your files are in, and then you drag and drop. Second option is you could click on the button add at the top, and from this it takes you to upload a file. Choose the folder to which the file is in, choose your folder, your file, and name it as you would wish. Then upload the file. In case you wanted to delete a file that is already uploaded, you could click on this to see the list, select on the file, and click on the button delete. After which, if you do have other restriction options within this file, you could come in and click on restriction to capture the restriction groups. Click on activity completion to determine how the activity will be marked as complete by the student. Save, and once saved, the file will be openable within the learning management system. To upload a folder, click on the course, go to activity section, select activity, go to recommended, select the folder option. Give the folder a name. You can describe the folder and then upload the folder as a zipped file from wherever the source is. Come to upload, choose out the folder file and attach. You could name it as you would wish and upload the file. In case you want to delete, take the list option, select the item and hit on delete of the delete button. Then at the bottom, save and display. This allows for the students to download the folder saved in the system with all the content inside it. Thank you.